Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to move pivot table in existing worksheet. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I already create pivot table. So this pivot table I'm going to move in existing worksheet. So simply select the one cell in this pivot table and go to the pivot table analysis tab. In action group, click on the move pivot table option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, move pivot table. Choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. So select here the existing worksheet and select the location where you want to move. So just click on this arrow to select the location. I just click on this arrow and go to the sheet number 1. So this is my existing worksheets and I select this here one cell. And again I click on this arrow and click on OK. That's it. Here we can see the pivot table is moved in existing worksheet with the pivot table fields with the pivot table analysis tab and design tab. So you can easily edit here your pivot table. Okay. And here you can see in sheet number 2 is a pivot table, not here. It's move in sheet number 1, which means existing worksheet. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.